How to update Subway Surfers game on Android or iPhone. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Play Store on the Android device or App Store on the iOS device. Tap on the search icon at the bottom. Then tap on the search bar. Type in Subway Surfers and search for it. Select the first search result for Subway Surfers. If the update button is available for Subway Surfers, it means a new version is available with the latest features. However, if you are already using the latest version, then you will see the play button instead. To update Subway Surfers, simply tap the update button. The update process will begin and Subway Surfers will start updating on your device. Please note that the installation may take some time depending on the update size and internet speed, so please be patient. Once the update is complete, you will see the play button. You can tap on it to launch the updated game. And that's it. You have successfully updated Subway Surfers on a mobile device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.